गोइंग थ्रू मेनोपॉज। अभी आप इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में समझेंगे तो लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स क्या होता है, स्पेशली इंडिया में विमेन को वंस से रीच अ सर्टन एज उन्हें पता नहीं चलता कि उनकी लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है। बाल झड़ रहे हैं, वेट गेन हो रहा है, डिप्रेशन हो रही है। तो एक नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट है जो कि एवरी वुमन शुड हैव once she crosses a certain age and starts getting menopausal. So this is the first step is creating awareness for menopause. And इस साल आप देखेंगे कि एक और मेरा नया एक मेरा बहुत क्लोज टू माय हार्ट प्रोजेक्ट जो कि 5 साल से मैं काम कर रही हूँ जिसके लिए, और विमेन सेफ्टी, वो भी लॉन्च हो रहा है। सो दिस इज माय ईयर 2017 डेडिकेटेड टू ऑल द वुमेन इन इंडिया।
प्रीति, आप हमेशा सोशल कॉज के लिए जुड़ी हो, स्पेशली वुमेन्स के लिए, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको नहीं लगता कि सप्लीमेंट्स जो है इफेक्ट भी करती है और फायदेमंद भी होते हैं, तो क्या लगता है इसका?
देखिए, वन ऑफ द मेन प्रॉब्लम्स इन वुमेन इन इंडिया फेस इज़ ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस, जो कि कैल्शियम की डेफिशिएंसी होती है। तो ये जो प्रोडक्ट है ये नेचुरल है। आई ऑलवेज बिलीव मोर इन नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स। सो इसमें फ्रॉम कैल्शियम टू सोया टू विटामिन्स टू मिनरल्स एंड all these products are very important for your body because they're natural. So this is the first step towards creating awareness. And yes, well, obviously brand conscious हूँ, definitely उम्मीद और कोशिश तो ये होती है कि अच्छे ब्रांड के साथ एसोसिएट हो, बिकॉज जैसे ब्रांड भी चाहता है कि वो सेलिब्रिटी के साथ, इमेज इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड आई थिंक क्रेडिबिलिटी इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दिस इज़ अ क्रेडिबल ब्रांड, इट्स अ नेचुरल ब्रांड विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दिस इज़ प्योरली गियर्ड टुवर्ड्स वुमेन.
प्रेगनेंसी के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स होती है स्पेशली लेडीज़ को, तो क्या इसके लिए भी फायदेमंद?
दिस इज़ टिपिकली एम्ड एट मेनोपॉज. सो मेनोपॉज प्रेगनेंसी के बाद ही आता है. सो आई थिंक ये अवेयरनेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज जब एक औरत की ज़िंदगी में मेनोपॉज आता है वो उस वक्त होती है जब उनके बच्चे पढ़ाई लिखाई करके घर से बाहर चले जाते हैं. हस्बैंड इज़ गेटिंग द बेस्ट प्रमोशन ऑफ हिज लाइफ. ही इज़ वेरी हैप्पी कि यू नो उनकी लाइफ में वो ऐसे पद पे चले जाते हैं कि वो बहुत ऊंचाई पे अपने करियर में होते हैं. लेकिन जो बीवी घर पे होती है वो एक फॉरगॉटन वुमन बन जाती है. उसे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा होता है कि उनके बाल क्यों झड़ रहे हैं, उनकी बॉडी को क्या हो रहा है, वेट क्यों गेन हो रहा है. तो दे स्टार्ट गोइंग थ्रू लॉट ऑफ डिप्रेशन. एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल एंड अ नेचुरल वे टू अवॉइड डिप्रेशन. एंड जो कि बॉडी में चेंजेस आते हैं वो बॉडी ये उन चेंजेस को इट मेक्स इट ईजियर.
कहीं ना कहीं आप ये बनना चाहोगे कि आपके,
मुझे पता था आप ज़रूर कोई ऐसा सवाल पूछेंगे. तो आर वी रेडी टू गो? अभी
IPL आ रहा है, आप भी काफ़ी प्रमोट करते हुए नजर आ रही है, तो क्या कहना चाहिए, तैयारी हो चुकी है IPL की?
वेल, आई होप 2017 हमारे लिए लकी रहे. इस बार वीरेंद्र सहवाग टीम को लीड कर रहे हैं एज आवर मेंटोर एज क्रिकेट ऑपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी. सो ऑफ कोर्स आई होप कि वी डू रियली रियली वेल. पर irrespective of IPL, because IPL is geared towards men, 2017 for me is only the year for women. और आप देखेंगे कि एज आई सेड अर्लियर कि वन ऑफ माई पेट प्रोजेक्ट्स जो कि 5 साल से हम काम कर रहे हैं, फाइनली इस साल लॉन्च होगा. अभी आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस, इट्स नॉट फेयर टू दिस प्रोडक्ट, बट इट्स गियर्ड टुवर्ड्स वुमेन सेफ्टी एंड वुमेन सेफ्टी विद अवेयरनेस, ब्रेन्स एंड स्ट्रेंथ. ओके, थैंक यू. I'm sitting right there.
So since we are talking about this company, since we are talking about the launch, I'm going to invite
Our society, our mothers and all the other women who are not career women spend most of their lives taking care of their children when they are young, their husbands all their lives. And very few of them are actually aware what's happening to them, and suddenly they start going through these changes in their lives when the children are probably in school or college and they are out of the house. They don't need their mother anymore. The husband is probably getting the best promotion of his job. All the wonderful things are happening in everyone's life, and suddenly the woman who has literally become the forgotten woman in the house is wondering, why am I gaining weight? Why am I losing hair? Why am I feeling miserable? And it's really sad that she doesn't know, a lot of times she doesn't know what's happening, and she starts going through depression. So I think this is a wonderful product to come, A, because it's natural, and B, because it will actually open that dialogue. Her way of empowering herself is by empowering her family, taking care of her husband, taking care of her children, doing everything in her power to make sure everybody around her is comfortable. That's the first step that the woman does in her house. But stepping out is a whole different thing, and just like to come to the very basic of it, to have the power to feel comfortable with your own body and the hormonal changes that are happening to you. So, pretty simply said, in reference to the launch of the Widow.
Yeah. And second question is, what message would you like to give to other women who are staying in this male-dominated society?
Well, males also come out of females, right? So I think that's very important to... Year is a special year, 2017 for me. It is absolutely my year dedicated to women in India. That's why I was very, very happy to be associated with this product, and as in a couple of months you will hear something else, a very strong association I have with women security that will be coming out. But I think women should have not limit themselves beyond that this is what I can do and this is what I cannot do. So it is male dominated, but I think it's probably the best time for women in India, because in the corporate world you see many more women in every office, pharmaceuticals to telecoms to everywhere. So it's a good time for the women. I think women supporting women is equally important than men supporting women. I mean, I could do a whole lecture on this, but I'll move to the next question. Sorry, I'm trying to...
What are you guys planning to do about that?
I think we were already thinking on that slides. Whatever you said, it was actually at the back of our mind.
For the husbands and the sons, they've always had the wife has always taken care of them. So maybe this would be a good step for them to step up and take care. And as they say, actions speak louder than words. So maybe they could just buy one of these and take it home and get some good karma, right?
When you are in menopause, it helps you.
We thought that it's very impressive to go and attend the meeting. You have to start understanding, and I think so that's where they have perfectly began. Let's talk about menopause and work out. There are plenty of solution. There are menopausal societies, there are menopausal sites. Thank you, Prakash. Thank you very much. And we will definitely be in touch. Is that if you want your mother or your wife or whatever the relation is to remain looking young after the 40s, when they are 60s and 65s and 70s, This is one product you should start early. And if you don't start, and then you will feel that this is all happening in every female.
Yeah. My question is for Preeti.
Are you a follow?
Oh yes. Love your bling watch and love your solitaire. What exactly is the reason for you to choose this particular initiative? And has there been any cases in your personal life pertaining to any of your family members who've actually gone through a rough phase of the menopause? And what are the learnings you've had from such a personal case which has transpired in your life?
Well, first of all, thanks for the compliment. Oh my goodness. And why I have chosen, I've always been a champion for women in this country, but as I said earlier, 2017 is a very, very special year for me. It is a year focused on women in India. And when this opportunity came to be part of this, with all my awareness and all my travel and all my education, even I didn't know so many things about menopause. And yes, I do know women that have gone through it and who didn't understand it. I myself didn't understand, including friends and family, that why such behavior. And I think just basic awareness is so important. You know, the biggest problems can be sorted first by realizing what the problem is. If you don't, just simple things like women as they get older, they tend to get osteoporosis. The fact that women are going through depression, you know, you can eat medicines to take care of different things, but depression is something, once you get into that hole in your head, you don't know where it's going. And especially for the woman who is sitting at home, it's okay when you have a job because you go out, you have work to do, you're meeting different people, and if you do well in life, you get a promotion. But have you ever thought, does your mom get a promotion? Do you ever come and tell her this is a bonus, mom? Actually, no. When you have a party, you run off with your friends. When life is great, you run off with your girlfriend or your wife. A lot of times, like the woman at home who actually has a job which is 24/7 is never rewarded, never taken care of, never understood. So I think it's, in some ways, it's great that this is being discussed today, so that all those people can actually sit and introspect. I mean, one of the things we talked about when we were shooting the film was, have you ever gone to your mother and said, your mother's come up to you and said, "Beta, what will you eat?" And you say, "Mom, make anything." Or when she makes anything, you're like, "Why did you make this? Phir se yehi bana diya, har roz yehi banate ho." And you know, there is no gratification. I think a simple thing like a thank you, a simple thing like, if you're not feeling too good, let me at least wonder what it is, and you know, instead of buying her flowers, maybe if you get her this, it will probably help her. So it's a mother, right? So at some stage in their lives, I think it's time to look towards her and think about her. Closest problems to your family. That's the last bit.
Why should we talk about it on social media?
Well, because we've all come out of our mother's stomachs, and we should all, life, I think it's time to give back. It's time to appreciate your mother, because one day you will be a mother too, and that's what my mother tells me. The day you will be a mother, you'll understand why I keep saying, whatever you're coming home, what do you want to eat, because sometimes even I'm like, just leave me alone, I'll be fine. And so I think why we should talk about it is because it's time to give back to your mother, it's time to give back to your wife. And as I said earlier, being career women, we get the gratification when we work hard, and we get the promotions, and we get the bonuses. But the bonus for your mother who stays at home is her family appreciating her, understanding her problems, and being sensitive about it. You know, it's not always about us, it's also about her. So just simply that.